how to remove lag on your phone. So if you want to remove lag on your phone, then what you need to do is, the first thing you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings and scroll down. Once you scroll down, here you will have apps option, right? Simply tap on apps. Under apps, go for see all apps and then wait for it to load. And here you will have a kind of interface like MB on the bottom side of the application, right? So if you have the option of MB, KB like that, then you just need to simply go and delete the application which you are not using, because the applications will also take or consume a lot of space. So if you clear your storage on your device, then your problem will be fixed. So to clear the storage, you just need to simply uninstall the application which you are not using. So for example, I'll be choosing an application which is the Epic Games Store. Once you choose this option, now you can either go for storage and cache, and then you can clear the storage of the application, but you can also go and uninstall the application if you are not using the application, and your storage will be free, and then your phone won't lag. And the other thing you can do is you just need to simply remove all of the applications or all of the things which are on your background. So you can simply go with your background and then remove all of these applications. Once you've removed them one by one, then you will be able to fix that problem. And these were the few ways in which you can fix the lag problem on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.